Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we're discussing with you, Ethos Life Insurance. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you've been putting off buying life insurance because you dread scheduling doctor appointments, filling out endless paperwork, or getting your blood drawn, Ethos was built exactly for you, or it is built exactly for you. Now, it's important to know right away that Ethos isn't a direct insurance company. Instead, it's a highly streamlined tech platform that instantly matches you with policies from rock-solid carriers like the Emeritus, Banner Life, and True Stage. Now, the absolute best part about Ethos here is the pure speed and convenience. Now, you can finish the entire application on your phone in under 10 minutes, and most people get approved the very same day without ever needing a physical medical exam. Now, instead of a lab visit here, their system instantly analyzes your online health answers and cross-reference your prescription history. Now, they even throw in free estate planning tools so you can set up a legal will and trust at no extra cost. And their index universal life plans are actually priced well below the national average here. Now, however, convenience comes with a distinct financial trade-off here. Now, because their standard term life policies skip the medical exam, the platform takes on more statistical risk, meaning their term rates can run 16 to 48% higher than traditional. So fully underwritten policies. So if you are in perfect health and don't mind a nurse coming to your house for a quick physical, you will easily find cheaper monthly premiums elsewhere. So you also get zero say over which specific carrier the algorithm picks for you. So their term plans can't be converted into permanent coverage later, and the platform is entirely unavailable in New York. Now, ultimately, Ethos is absolutely worth it if you prioritize your time, want immediate coverage here, or just completely hate needles. Now, it strips the friction out of the notoriously slow industry, but if you are purely hunting for the absolute lowest price here on the market and don't mind the wait, you're better off going to the traditional, fully underwritten insurer. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.